In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Max app. If you're on an Android phone or tablet, the easiest and safest way to get the official Max streaming app is through the Google Play Store. I'll guide you through finding the correct listing, installing it, opening it, and signing in, and I'll share a quick security reminder so you avoid unsafe downloads. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. On the home screen, tap the search bar at the top. Type the word Max. In the results, look for the official listing named HBO Max, Stream TV and Movies. You'll know you've got the right one when the developer is shown as Warner Brothers Discovery. That developer name is important. It confirms you're downloading the legitimate app. Depending on your region, you may see the app branded as Max, but the official listing and the Warner Brothers Discovery publisher are what matter most. Once you've found the correct app, tap Install. If you're prompted to grant permissions or confirm the download, go ahead and accept. Now wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. This may take a moment depending on your internet speed and available storage. A stable Wi-Fi connection can help the process go faster and avoid using mobile data. When the installation completes, tap Open to launch the app. Inside the app, it's time to sign in. On the welcome screen, tap Sign In. Enter your Max account email and your password carefully. If your Max access is included with a TV or mobile provider plan, choose the option to sign in through your provider and follow the on-screen prompts. Take your time here. Typing the correct details the first time helps you avoid lockouts or repeated attempts. If you don't immediately see the app in search results, double-check your spelling, ensure you're signed in to Google Play with the correct account, and confirm your device and Android version are supported. Sometimes the listing name may display slightly differently by region, but the Warner Brothers Discovery developer label is the key indicator. A quick but important security note. Avoid downloading Max from unofficial APK websites. For your safety and to protect your device, only install the app from the Google Play Store or other official Warner Brothers Discovery sources. Third-party APKs can be modified, outdated, or unsafe. That's it. Open the app, sign in, and you're ready to stream. Following these steps ensures you get the authentic Max experience on Android with the latest updates and security protections.